Episode 2, The Sleepy Baby Surprise. Good morning. The sun is shining, the room is bright, and Diaper Hero is waking up for another big day. Fresh diaper, full power. The twins are already awake, giggling and crawling nearby. Teddy Max sits proudly and Quacky bounces with excitement. Everything feels calm for now. Suddenly, Mommy walks to the door. She opens it and announces something exciting. A new baby is coming today. Diaper Hero freezes. A new baby means a new mission. He checks his diaper. Still fresh, still powerful. The door opens slowly. A quiet baby crawls inside. This is Sleepy Baby. Sleepy Baby yawns, a big, slow yawn. At first, everything seems normal, but something strange begins to happen. When Sleepy Baby yawns again, the room feels slower, the air feels softer, time itself seems to stretch. Teddy Max blinks, Quacky flaps slower. Diaper Hero notices Sleepy Baby looks tired. Maybe he can help. He crawls closer. He gently shows a toy, hoping to cheer him up. Sleepy Baby smiles, but the room changes again. The toys begin to slow down. Movements grow heavy. Eyes begin to droop. Sleepy Baby crawls past the toy box, and the toys stop moving. The lights dim just a little. Something isn't right. Diaper Hero crawls faster. He tries to wake the toys. He shakes, he taps, he pushes, but every movement feels harder. Even the twins rub their eyes. Diaper Hero keeps going, but his eyes feel heavy. His hands feel slow. Uh-oh, his diaper is getting full. Diaper Hero yawns. He sits down. His eyes close just for a moment. Oh no! If Diaper Hero falls asleep, the nap power will spread everywhere. Sleepy Baby crawls peacefully through the room, calm, unbothered. Diaper Hero tries to stay awake. He blinks, he smiles, and then he falls asleep. Footsteps. Mommy enters the room at just the right time. Fresh diaper, power restored. Diaper Hero wakes up, bright eyes, big smile, full power again. Now Diaper Hero understands. Sleepy Baby isn't causing trouble. Sleepy Baby just needs rest. Diaper Hero gently guides Sleepy Baby to a soft mat. Quiet lullaby plays. Sleepy Baby yawns and falls asleep peacefully. The nap power disappears. The toys wake up. Quacky flaps. Teddy Max sits tall again. The twins laugh and clap. Diaper Hero smiles. Not every problem needs speed. Some need kindness. After a long nap, Sleepy Baby stretches and rubs his eyes. He looks around, sees Diaper Hero smiling at him. And guess what? Sleepy Baby giggles, grabs a toy, and starts crawling playfully. Everyone cheers. The house is full of laughter again. Diaper Hero waves, proud of helping his new friend. But wait, tomorrow a new baby will arrive. Who will it be? Loud? Messy? Fast? One thing is certain, diaper hero will be ready.